Hey you guys, it's Michelle here. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to set up my daily sheets for next week. I'm going to decorate 5 daily sheets, and I also have a fun new package I'm going to unbox first. This is a brand new handbag that Portland Leather Goods was kind enough to send me. So stay tuned if you want to see that and do some daily sheet plan with me. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put those aside and do this first because this won't take that long and I'm super duper excited to look at it. The kind folks over at Portland Leather Goods said I could choose a bag from their website and they would send it to me. So I'm going to show you the one that I chose. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a new bag. And right now there is a sale for Labor Day and you can use code LABOR30 to get 30% off of the already, in my opinion, already low prices considering they're handmade leather goods. So I'll include their link and the code in the description box. So there is a thank you card in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and take this out. So there were several handbags and totes I could have chosen, but I absolutely love this shape. I got a round crossbody in the large size, and this color is called Honey. Oh, it's so soft. So it's got an adjustable strap, so you can wear it crossbody. And it's got a front pouch, which is a deal breaker for me. I have to have either a little pouch on the front or the back of my bag so I can toss my keys and lip gloss and things in there. So it's got this leather zipper pull and the gold zipper and gold hardware, kind of like a brass. So I'll put it up on the screen. I got the larger of the two and it comes in all of those colors, but I chose the Honey, which is just a classic color. It's going to go with anything. It's seasonless and timeless. I've been using this little Michael Kors, kind of like a half circle, and everything I need fits comfortably in here. I would like a little bit more room, which is going to be perfect for this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load it up and see what all I can fit in here. First, I've got my little wallet. Then I've got some sunnies. I don't have them in a case or anything. I'm going to put them in the side. There's a side pocket here in the back, so those will be protected. And I'm going to drop my keys down in there. Got some Alka-Seltzers, and in this purse that I was using, I didn't have room for a little makeup bag, but I pulled out a makeup bag that I've had for a while from Benefit, and I'm going to load it up with just a few essentials. That's my favorite NARS Power Lip Pigment in American Woman. Then some perfume. I can put other cosmetics in there. Put that in there. And then there's plenty of room for my phone. I could even put it in the front pocket, just like that. And a pen. So that's all loaded up and ready to go. I'm going to put that aside and we'll get to our daily sheets. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and look at the daily sheets. I pulled 5 random sticker books. So I think I'm going to use pressed florals for this one. So let me just flip and see kind of what draws me to it. I'm going to start with these. I think I'm going to put those in that section. Okay. I'm going to put that down there to camouflage where that doesn't go all the way down. And let's see. think I want to use this one too. All right, I'm going to move that one over there. And let's see what else. Wasn't planning on going with kind of the all purple, but I think I will. It goes really well with the colors on this page. So let's do this one also. Okay. And on the back of these, they are just dot grids, so you can use for lists, brain dump, whatever you'd like. I really enjoy these more than the ones that are double-sided because I love having that place for journaling or whatever on the back. I'm just adding that in just to kind of fill in. That's the stem I trimmed off. Do that over there, and then the rest of this, not all of it though, right here. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, and I want to do also a quote back here. I don't want a giant quote though. Let's see. This one that says embrace your own pace. I like how it's kind of curved in a circle. I think I'm going to cut it like it's in two different lines. Okay, and I like how it kind of curves around that flower. I think I'm going to add a couple of more little flowers on here though. All right. Okay, I think up here I'm going to do this big flower. I think I also want to do this one. Okay, and let me get a box. All right, so I'm going to do the box this way so it covers up that part that's printed on there. And I'm going to layer another flower here on the side, although I wouldn't have to. All right. I think I'll do these. I'm also going to use this strip that says it's okay to not do it all. And these little lavender strips, I'm just going to put a couple of these over these two labels to label over these, I'll just say get to it and press on. Let's put these two kind of layered together. look in here and see if I have anything that I could use in that lavender color. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut this one. And then I'm gonna save that because I can use that again and just take a scrap out of here to layer, to close it up with, I mean. Just gonna lift that up. Okay, and then I'll just use this to close it off with at the bottom. I like that one, kind of joining those together. I think I'll do that flower with it. Okay, and one more little something right here. Okay, so that one is done. I do want to maybe add 3 purple bullet points though, just to add a little bit more of that color over there. Okay, I'm going to just use these little purple circles. Okay, for those 3, and that is the pressed florals one. Okay, for this one, let's use Bookish. Just pulled a bunch of random books. Okay, back here in the back, there are these that are already kind of shaped like this. So let's see. Let's do this one that says noted. Right there, and just trim off the excess. Okay, perfect. And that way that doesn't have to be a self-care section. It can just be whatever. I love this pink chair with the cat. I think I'm going to put that right over there. Scoot it over a little bit so I can use this plant beside it. Okay, cute. Now, down here, let's do one of these smaller stacks of books. Oh, and I want to use this shelf up here. How about right there? Oh, and then this is cute, this quote that says dreamer. And that'll fit perfectly right there. And these little stars around the rainbow that say shine bright, I'm going to use some of them. Just to put around this quote. All right. Might as well go ahead and use all of them because I can still use that sticker if I want to later without the stars. Okay, that's cute. Now I want to get some boxes up here. I'll do this one that says today and something to cover that corner up. How about this little flag that says read will be perfect. And then up here, I want to do a couple of smaller boxes. Let's do this yellow and purple. I'm just going to change that out to that gold foil circle just to have a little bit more gold. I've got some in this box. Okay, I've got these little rainbow pieces of washi. I think I'm going to use those to layer something on top of to relabel these. Okay, and then I've got this one I can use over here. All right, and I'm going to use these little stars here. I'm not going to use the light pink because it's too much like the color that's already there. Let's do the coral and the green and then the blue. And I grabbed travel because I wanted some of these really small kind of arrow-shaped boxes. So I'll put this one here. Then how about the coral? And the yellow. We'll just make this one super colorful. I'm not loving these. I think they're a little bit too busy. So I'm going to take those up and then probably be done with this one. I'm going to add something else there though. Okay, got just a smaller regular coral box. It looks a little bit cleaner. All right, and that is going to be the Bookish one. All right, let's do, I pulled out Flower Power, the Mega Book. Let's see what we can do in this one. Okay, what about, I've always liked these flowers. Let's do this Fill Your Heart with Love and Flowers up here. Just layered off of this. Just for something pretty and decorative. I think I'm going to do this one this way. And do the little hanger thing. Draw a little nail there. Okay, that's pretty. And let's see, what else do we want to do? Do that one there. Then I pulled out this color story. I know I was going to try to stay with the same books, but I want to see about using like a little squad girl. Okay, she's pretty and she'll fit there perfectly. All right, how cute. I think I'll layer that off of that cluster at the top. Then might as well use the rest of it down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to use some of this to sort of frame her. Let's get one more flower for the bottom. Just like that. All right, this one's really fun and was super easy. So I've got this, and I think there's a gold and white striped one. There's a yellow one actually, so I'm gonna put this one back and use the yellow and gold and the white and gold stripe. And just layer these right here. I'm totally winging it. I don't know what I'm going to use next, but let's use let's use a flower from that scrap. Just like that. Okay, and for these, let's use some of these little flags. All right, and for these, since we're going with the yellow, I've got a Zig clean color dot. I'm just going to put a little piece of strip of paper like this and just make my own little dots just for something different. Okay, now it looks more uniform, and that is going to be the third one. So for this one, I'm going to use this Color Story. I think this was the third one that came out. Okay, let's do sort of a fall one. All right, since we're doing fall, I grabbed these boxes from, they're the Jewel Tone Boxes sticker book. And I think I'll do a long orange box. All right, I'm gonna put this one over here. And I've got this Fall in Love with Today sticker that I want to kind of layer on top of the box, but not take up too much of it. And then here's this little strip of leaves. I'm going to put across there. I think I'm going to layer this yellow box slightly off of that one for another place to write something. And then I love this little rain jacket. I think I'll do part of this pumpkin sitting on top of that yellow box. Or all of it, I just trimmed it off where it would sit flat. And then I'll scoot that over like that. You know what, we could do this Visit the Pumpkin Patch up here. I want to do this up here too, this little pumpkin spice latte, and then the other pumpkins. All right, and then I've got these two pumpkins. I'm gonna just sit those right underneath that orange box. And then I think I want to use the little bike if I can. Oh, that's cute. And then in that same book, but this is in the travel part, this says always take the scenic route. I think I'm gonna put that there. Okay, and over here, let's do, three orange triangles for our top three. Alrighty. Then I've got a little orange heart. I think I'm going to put that up here. That's cute. All right, and then I've got a, what color is this? Fawn. Let me see what this would look like if I just go over the dots. I think it's going to look too different. I don't know, it's kind of fun. The colors seem to match a little better having this color over them. All right, cute. I kind of want something over here though. I've got another one of these. I have two of these books. Yeah, that's perfect. Put that there. And then one more pumpkin there. Okay, so that's our fourth one. I've got one more. Okay, for this one, let's do Colorful Leopard. Haven't used this one in a while, and I really do like it. Let's see. Ooh, I want to use these gold ones. I'm gonna start putting some of these down here, just kind of make a border. And I think I'll do this one going this way. And use this little scrap over here. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and just use these up in this top corner too. Just use that one and then maybe one more of this kind of blush color. And I'm going to trim those off and use them on the side. So it kind of does like a corner up here. All right. Here we go. Okay, I like this that says Wild Ideas to cover this up. All right, and let's do some of these boxes just like a cluster. Let's do one of these here too, except take off the part that says meeting. Okay, we'll do that there, and something down here. Let's do Just Go For It. Okay, and up here where it says self-care, I may use that for self-care, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna do this note to self that also has a touch of that gold foil. To put there. Now I think I'll do this gold box there. Let's do it right here. And these little sunnies right above that. Okay, I think I just want to get some gold foil circles for these. All I want to do is add a little bit more of the leopard up here, I think. Just looks a little plain. And let's add some there. Wait, I want to get some of the gold on it though. And let's trim these boxes with a little bit of leopard, just like we would with flowers. All right, and that is that one. So let's look at all of them because I love it when you guys tell me which one is your favorite. You go in order. Okay, so first there is the one with the pressed florals. Then we have the Bookish one, the Flower Power, then the Color Story book, so like a fall theme, and then Colorful Leopard. I don't know, I think they're all fun. I really had fun making all of them. You have to let me know which one is your favorite. And don't forget, I will have the link for Portland Leather Goods and the code in the description box if you want to check out their sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.